Hi children, today we are going to discuss JEE advanced question 2023 question, last year question from complex numbers. Complex number is a very important chapter. We can expect one or two questions from this chapter. Here the question is, to hear the question, let A is equal to 1967 plus 1686 I sin theta divided by 7 minus 3I cos theta. Theta belongs to R. If A contains exactly one positive integer n, then the value of n is. Okay. This is the question. Then the value of A is. So here, given that A is equal to 1967 plus 1686 I sin theta divided by 7 minus 3I cos theta. This is the given equation. This is a numerical value type question. Options are not given. Numerical value type question. So this is equal to 1967, 1686. What is the common factor of 1967 and 1686? We can take a common factor, that is this is 281 into 7, that is 1967. 281 into 6, that is 1686. So we can take the common factor to 281 into outside into 7 plus 6I sin theta divided by 7 minus 3I cos theta. 7 minus 3I cos theta. In the next step, we have to split this into two terms, the real term and the imaginary term, because it is a complex number in the P by Q form. This is equal to 281 into 7 plus 6I sin theta divided by 7 minus 3I cos theta. Multiply the numerator and denominator with the complex conjugate of the denominator, 7 plus 3I cos theta divided by 7 plus 3I cos theta. So A is equal to 281 into multiply this. First you take the real terms, 7 into 7, 49. Then 6I sin theta into 3I cos theta. I into I square. 6 into 3, 18. Minus 18 sin theta cos theta. 281 is the whole multiple of denominator is 7 minus 3I cos theta into 7 plus 3I cos theta. That is 49 plus 9 cos square theta. 7 minus 3, A plus B into A minus B form, A square minus B square. Here A is 7, A square minus 3I square cos square theta. That is 3I square is minus 9, minus or minus plus 9 cos square theta plus. What is the imaginary term? The terms containing I is the common factor. 7 into 3i, that is 21 cos theta. 21 cos theta. 7 to 3i, 21 cos theta. I already we have taken it outside. And 6i sin theta into 7 plus 42 sin theta. Plus 42 sin theta. Denominator is 49 plus 9 cos square theta. This is the denominator. Okay, as per the question, A contains exactly one positive integer. Exactly one positive integer. That means only a real number. Positive integer means it is a real number. So, the imaginary part of A will be 0. What is the imaginary part? 21. Imaginary part of A equal to 0. This is the imaginary part. That is 21 cos theta plus 42 sin theta equal to 0. That is 21 cos theta is minus 42 sin theta. Tan theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. 21 by 42. Tan theta. Take cos theta into right hand side, 42 into left hand side. Tan theta is equal to 21 by 42 minus 1 by 2. When tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to 1 by root 5. What is cos theta? Minus 2 by root 5. When tan theta is equal to negative 1 by 2, sin theta is equal to 1 by root 5. Cos theta is equal to minus 2 by root 5. Okay. Then what is the real part? What is the real part of A? We have to find out the real part. Real part of A is 281 into 49 minus 18 into sin theta 1 by root 5. Look here, sin theta, what is sin theta? 1 by root 5. What is cos theta? Minus 2 by root 5. Minus 2 by root 5 divided by 49 plus 9 into cos square theta. Minus 2 by root 5 square. This is equal to 281 into 49 minus into minus plus 18 into 2. 18. What is 18 into 2? 18 into 2, 36. Divided by root 5 into 5, 5. Divided by here 49 plus minus 2 square is 4. 9 into 4, 36. Root 5 square is 5. Now go here, numerator and denominator is same. So we can cancel like this. Directly cancel. So this is equal to 281. 281. This is the answer. 281. Okay, children. Thank you. See you again next time. Okay.